officers discovered 6 San Felipe residents involved in the illegal logging. As a result, some 3,000 feet of lumber was confiscated. However, those persons were not detained, as I believe that Forestry is conducting further investigation into this matter.
Okay, so now how did the police know that it was not a legitimate logging operation?
Well, they were accompanied by Forestry officers
Okay,
on
right.
the operation.
All right. So now is this something that law enforcement? I know usually you all don't get involved in stuff like this, but is this something that you all were made aware of by Forestry?
Yes, they came for police assistance to go on the operation, and from time to time we do accompany Forestry Department on these operations.